Good evening. We are Team TechSpace. Choosing a locality is difficult, especially when we cannot go to the physical location, nor we can get data on safety analysis of locality. Satellite data provides us nightlight, demographic, and various other data, which, when processed and analyzed, gives us insights on local locality, safety, and other parameters helpful for a common user like me. Enough satellite data is available, but there is a lack of reliable data processing service. And there are Indian manufacturers, but there is no platform wherein it can reach to a common user. With TechSpace, next slide. With TechSpace, we bridge the gap between user and data. We provide data analysis tools which provide comprehensive insights for individual and commercial applications. Next slide. Comparative studies shows that TechSpace proves to be better than GIS and aerial imaging in area cost, application, and user interface.
Now coming to how the product works, any guest user can directly go to the product and use it. The free plan has some functionality, while the premium upgrade option is also there. For using the product, only what we have to do is just enter our location. Then you get the results with 2 data points for which you can store when you sign in and use the app. As you can see that there are ads for the free guest users. Now, when you sign into the app, you can register, and registering is a very easy one-step process. But registering does not remove ads, but it gives you the option to save your insights and access to a dashboard which is exclusively yours. Now, the dashboard has all details about your saved projects, your saved searches, and your saved insights and results, which you can access once you have registered on the platform. We do not store any data without your permission. Now, once you have registered as a premium user, you are given access to more than 2 data points and an option to save results. Now, there is additional functionality also, as you can see on the screen. You can collect data, store it, and also generate insights with it. You can have a data processing report downloadable also. Then there is also an option to start common projects in public domain, which are essentially citizen science projects. Now, the projects anyone can, after registering, anyone can engage in these projects, but only the premium subscribers can use it. Even a school child can be a part of these common citizen science projects. And the insights which we generate from our software can be very useful and give us some important values of the parameters over time. Thus, it has a huge impact in many national and welfare schemes like women's safety, citizen science, civic research. It's very efficient and useful for economic analysis, even disaster management, where we can understand the power outbreaks, and the NGOs and the governments can make use of it effectively for making policies, frameworks, and deciding on awareness programs.
So right now we don't have any prototype cost, but as we expand, some charges will be incurred, details of which are shown in the slide. Next. We plan to release our basic version first with some targeted publicity. Later, as we improve our product and have some market response data, we plan to enter more domains and reach out to a larger segment of people. Thank you.